Welcome to Wonderland Weekly, hosted by Toronto Ty. Now sit back and have a wonderful week.
Hey everyone, Toronto Ty back here at Canada's Wonderland once again for another wonderful week. I did miss last week. I did not end up making a trip up to the park at all. Which is a little sad, but that does make the visits that I do get all the sweeter. So I am here on Labor Day, not here for the Labor Day fireworks last night, but that is because family comes first. So, I am here on Labor Day, last day of daily operations. I am going to enjoy, some of the entertainment here. That is going to be my primary focus, and that is perfect timing with the Victoria Falls Dive Show starting right now. So mostly going to be enjoying some entertainment, probably some rides, and grabbing some food as well. So it's going to be a fun day. Let's get right to it. About to head into Alpenfest, but on my way, I noticed this tarping set up here. And if you look just over it, you can see that there is some new steel going in there. That's what that looks like, and it is, penetrating the mountain there. Interesting. I'm not sure exactly what's going on here. My first instinct is that it is something to kind of reinforce Thunder Run. Maybe the park is thinking about replacing its wooden structure with a steel structure. On that note, anyone who wants us to get a hybrid coaster, we kind of already do have one here. But once you walk over this way, you can see that there's more steel back there, and that looks to be fresh concrete there. That's very, very curious. Again, I'm wondering if it is going to be for reinforcing Thunder Run, but then there's this etching in the mountain. It looks like it's been kind of sawed away in a bit of a rectangular shape. I don't know if that's large enough to be a doorway. I don't know how that would work. I'm sure that some of you are thinking like a haunt maze or something. I don't think that this would be the Conjuring. I think that work would... they don't have enough time to put that together. So if it is for a haunt thing, then it would be for the future seasons, not this year. But it's just very, very curious here. So I'm not sure. But if it is related to Thunder Run, I'm all for it. Only because, we got to keep Thunder Run around for as long as we can. It is such a wonderful attraction. Just so unique and perfectly built into Wonder Mountain without detracting from it. It does change this view of the mountain, but you can't see it from International Street or anything like that. I really do love this ride, but I don't know. It's possible that they could maybe get a pathway for guests to get into the mountain this way. So I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. I'm definitely going to be watching this closely on future visits to see any developments here. It's very curious to me. Of course, I also have to mention the work going on with this former All Star Shootout game stall. The park is preparing for our future enjoyment. It has these construction fences around here. Looks like they have built a brand new back wall here. So it looks like that's going to match the rest of Alpenfest, the new Alpenfest structures. So that is good. And hopefully the roof gets those faux wood shakes as well. But not exactly sure what's going to happen with this building. But I am glad that it seems like the park is going to continue working on Alpenfest, extending it all the way through, maybe to Krausenwagen. That would be good, but at the very least to this stall. Just good to see work being done. Schroeder out here greeting guests. I love to see it. That is adorable. Yep, just wonderful to see him out here at the entrance to Planet Snoopy. But he does have quite a crowd. So I think I'm going to make sure that other people get to spend some time with him. I'm just glad to see him at all. Hi, Lucy. Hi, Sally. Great to see you too. keeping cool in here. That is awesome. Oh, it's so great to see you too. Oh, you've got other people to see, but I'll see you again later. Bye. In the games area of Kidsville, of course, I did report last time that Dr. Jamie's Peach Basket, the sign had been taken down. Well, now the whole sign has been taken down, not just the letters and drawings. No, the whole thing has been removed, and it looks like they have repainted that roof and trim just to cover up where that was. So yeah, it's really gone, and yeah, this probably is going to just be vending machines for the foreseeable future. Just taking a moment to appreciate Yukon Striker in its natural habitat. Absolutely love this coaster and the way it is built into the landscape of the park. It is wonderful, it is beautiful, it is just perfect. On the lodge's lower patio, love this space, seeing Yukon Striker and Vortex zooming by, occasionally Tundra Twister. Yeah, it is absolutely beautiful back here. Love this space, but I am eating. And so I got the beef brisket once again, because it is generally excellent. This looks like a good portion, but a lot of it is fat, so that is a little disappointing. But again, pretty good portion, so I think that kind of makes up for it. And I did get a salad along with it. So yeah, I'm gonna dig in, but I don't know, I might enjoy the views more than the food. Right here behind Wonder Mountain, of course, AlpenFury zooming by. But I want to talk about fencing, because of course I do. Yeah, the frontier fencing that is in place here, I know I've, kind of complained about it before. And yeah, I still don't like it, but I don't like complaining about things unless I have a solution in mind, a different option. So my different option would be something similar to what they've used along the rest of the area back here. These metal posts with chain link in between. I think that it's subtle. It's not necessarily thematically appropriate, but that would be more consistent, because this does stand out a lot in my opinion. Just that feels very much like Frontier Canada, which is not what this section of the park is. So yeah, something like that. I mean, I do love this style of fencing, which the park sort of used some of that on AlpenFury's station with the queue for it. Yeah, so that is great. But obviously don't want that everywhere, because then you can't see through to the bushes, all the lovely plant life back there. So I think that would be my solution, is just using the metal post with chain link. I really do feel like it fits a lot better back here. It's a little bit more subtle, while still being as secure as any fence. You can't really sit on this. Or climb it like a ladder. So yeah, I just really feel like this is what they should have used, and maybe they can still switch to it. I hope so, because yeah, again, I'm just really not a fan of the frontier fencing going everywhere, and would like each area to feel a little different. AlpenFury going over the plaza, over this hill and down into Wonder Mountain. I really have, this section does look really, really good. I don't know that I've really commented too much on it since my initial reactions, but it does look really, really good. I think that it came together really well. And of course, this goat right here, I know there are a lot of people who are Team Bayern. They want to name this goat Bayern. Yeah, I do feel like, the name Sherman is maybe a little nicer, a little better. It's an actual name, and it is just an homage to Herman, who of course lives inside Thunder Run's cavern. So Herman and Sherman. It also kind of reminds me of a Sherpa, which is the wrong region for the Swiss Alps. That would be for the Himalayas, but still seems appropriate for this little goat here. I just got my best ride of the season on Wild Beast. Oh my goodness, it was so fun. Yeah, just really, really great. I love this ride so much. Yeah, seeing the new speakers on the lift hill, the auto spiel as you come back into the station, and some fresh wood here and there. Yeah, I mean, it's good to see this ride getting some minor upgrades, and I do hope that some bigger upgrades are in store for this ride in the near future. New trains, I really do think would be the best thing, but also that gravity group retracking, similar to what Mindbuster got, I think would be incredible and help more people appreciate this classic coaster. It really is great. It's got a great layout. I know it's rough, but there's such a good structure here. It's really, really fun. And yeah, just really glad to have my best ride of the season today. Well, that'll about do it for this week here at Canada's Wonderland. I had a really fun time. I did not get on AlpenFury, but I did get on 3 rides, plus I got to see 3 shows, and I am so incredibly grateful for the entertainment here at Canada's Wonderland. It is so good. Yeah, just really great to see that is continuing even in this era of budget cuts and all of that. We do have a new show coming for Camp Spooky. Yeah, that is listed on the website, so that is awesome. There's also a new show coming for Halloween Haunt. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to both of those. But before we get to those, we do have Oktoberfest starting next weekend. I am not going to be here next weekend. No, once again, I am not going to be in town next weekend, so I can't make it. But I am looking forward to updating all of you once I do get back to the park on September 13th for roller coasters, eh? Yeah, I think that is going to be a really fun day. I am going to get rides on AlpenFury. I am going to get to do a Q&A with I believe Peter Switzer here at the park. So if you have questions, do write those in the comments of this video and I will do my best to ask them. There is limited time and all that. But that's coming up. That's going to be tons of fun. I'm also going to be checking in on the progress for whatever is happening here in Alpenfest and all the Halloween Haunt preparations that will undoubtedly be underway by that point. If you want to see all of that, do make sure that you are subscribed. And like this video if you liked what I had to say today. I think that'll about do it. So until next time, as always, have a good one.
If you like this video, you can now buy me a hot chocolate at buymeacoffee.com. I also love hearing your thoughts, so feel free to leave a comment. Thanks so much for your continued support, and be sure to subscribe for more wonderful videos.